In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mirror glass on the side view mirrors of this Toyota Corolla. Make sure you have the correct one for the side you're looking to replace. Let's get started. To get this off, you want to start by pushing the mirror glass out as much as possible. Then put your fingers in behind it as far in as possible so you can grab near the center and pull out firmly. There we go. That's removed. Clean off any debris if needed, and the new mirror glass has 4 locking tabs that lock into each of these corners. So line it up. Once you feel that it's seated, you'll want to press firmly right in the center. If it doesn't wobble around, it's properly installed, so the job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.